Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to Nazuchi Beach in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, just press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map, like so. Now zoom all the way out, and then scroll downwards. So zoom in this Kanazuka area, like so. So here you can see Nazuchi Beach is right here. So click on any of these two teleport waypoints. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called teleport. After clicking this, you'll be teleported to Nazuchi Beach. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!